I'm Simon Hayhurst, SVP of Product at Ceres Imaging. Today I'm going to talk to you about farming decisions with confidence. Farming is hard. Farmers and growers have many challenges. This grower has an additional problem, and he doesn't even know it yet. Hidden in this field are issues that are going to impact his yield deeply, but he can't see them. But we can. With our eyes in the sky, we can detect water, nutrient, and pest problems weeks before you can with the naked eye walking around the field. In this particular field, an 80-acre almond orchard, we have two severe issues: a pressure-regulated valve failure in one corner and pressure loss in the other. The pair of those issues alone are going to impact yield by about 10% across roughly 20 of the 80 acres, leading to significant loss for the grower. We can see that because we can see it, the grower can act on it immediately, saving yield and focusing their teams on the most urgent issues at the time that they happen, rather than weeks later when there's irreversible damage done. As a result, we see consistently high ROI across many crops for any types of issues, helping the labor management, irrigation management, and of course, preserving yield whilst minimizing use of inputs. This has led, in turn, to robust growth across our 6 years, both in customers, acres served, and of course, revenue. Agriculture is a very large industry. There are billions of dollars of opportunity, but we've chosen to focus and go deep for now in the US and Australia with a particular focus on irrigation. From there, we can build out over time. This focus is what allows us to excel in the way that we do. We feel that we're uniquely differentiated with a particular focus on productizing science, leading to proprietary data and strong analytics. This all starts with our sensors. Custom sensors designed to be highly accurate, very precise, strongly sensitive, and most of all, consistent through strong calibration. This leads to better data. Better data in turn enables us to do better work with computer vision, AI, machine learning and modeling, and supported by our team of in-house experts in GIS and agronomy. This all put together leads to strong, consistent insights that are meaningful and actionable by growers, going beyond pixels to what really matters, which is helping growers find things they didn't know and that they can act on. Our technology can be applied in many ways. We have a core strength in irrigation with our unique water stress layer, our cumulative stress leading to a sense of progression through the season, leading to yield impact, and more recently, starting on irrigation recommendations. We've also seen that our technology can be successfully applied to nitrogen and other inputs, such as pesticides and so on. But it really, for us, comes down to our focus on high-value irrigation solutions. Two broad categories: irrigation system performance, focusing on acute issues. Did something break today? If so, spot it and fix it. And design and system issues, these broader issues that can boil down to simple things: incorrectly installed valves, settings in the wrong place, or larger ones, like a need to really increase flow or pressure in a more macro way across a field. These two lead to very, very strong ROI for growers. Our latest area is going to be even more exciting, tackling the question that growers face with highest frequency, and that's often hardest to wrap their arms around. How much water should I apply this week? What is the optimal amount? Our early observation is growers have, as a matter of course, often had to resort to over-irrigating to ensure that they don't minimize yield or lose yield in easy ways. And yet at the same time, there's still corners of the field that aren't getting enough irrigation. So we're expecting to see improvements in yield and significant savings in water applied. With all of this, you can see why that Ceres has been recognized repeatedly as a digital ag market leader by New York Times, VentureBeat, the Sustainability Prize, and many more. Our eyes in the sky genuinely help farmers on the ground, providing actionable insights and easy ways for growers to prioritize their time to maximize yield and minimize cost. We are Ceres Imaging, and I want to thank you for your time.